Are you looking for the best action camera for vlogging? In this video, we will look at some of the best action camera for vlogging on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SJCAM C300 Pocket Action Camera. SJCAM C300 Pocket Action Camera 4K FHD with long battery life, video 30mm, waterproof 5G Wi-Fi camera, sport action cam. C300 adds an additional battery, 1000 mAh plus 2800 mAh replaceable lithium battery, allowing you to record wonderful things without stopping. With the large battery module, the camera's dual touch color screens on the front and back unlock a superb range of shooting positions for you. You can find the angle you want to create, whether a shot or a selfie. The 154 degrees wide-angle lens with an aspherical lens can effectively control image distortion while capturing wide scenes so that the field of view is no longer limited. You can take in the whole picture, whether it is natural scenery or urban architecture. The built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer feeds the shake effect to the image processor, allowing the camera to capture clear and stable images. Whether handheld recording or mountain biking, it is stable and steady. Adopts an extra-large aperture to increase light intake by 40%. Illuminates the picture with a calculated spectral image unit, capable of taking wonderfully bright, large shots in low-light conditions. Use the special back clip to hang the lightweight C300 on your chest, giving you an immersive first-person view. With the remote control bracelet, you can control recording or taking photos faster, making tedious operations effortless. Number 2. PANOX V2 360 Vlog Camera. Embark on a visual journey like never before as our 360 camera captures the essence of your escapades in breathtaking 72MP resolution. Whether you're documenting a thrilling extreme sports moment or capturing the scenic beauty of a travel destination, our camera's half-an-inch CMOS sensor ensures vivid clarity even in challenging low-light conditions. This ensures that you can relive every adventure with unparalleled detail. Elevate your storytelling with PANOX V2's immersive 5.7K video quality. Whether you're recording adrenaline-pumping outdoor activities, creating travel vlogs, or capturing creative time-lapse sequences during your holidays, our advanced active HDR mode conquers any lighting challenge. The 5.7K time-lapse videos and premium stabilization technology guarantee steady footage, ensuring that every moment is crystal clear, even on the move. Bring your audience along on your adventures through captivating 360 degrees live streams with vibrant HDR visuals. PANOX V2's 4K at 30 FPS quality and AI-powered auto-tracking technology make your live content engaging and immersive. Whether you're a solo traveler, outdoor enthusiast, or content creator, seamlessly stream on various social media platforms to share the thrill of the moment in real time. The camera's fast battery charging and automatic fan cooling keep it ready for continuous streaming during extended adventures. Number 3. Insta360 X3 Action Camera. X3 captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video, so you'll never miss the action. Choose your favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing tools in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Dual 1/2-inch 48MP sensors. X3's new sensors pack in more pixels for greater clarity and detail, even in low light. Capture 72MP photos, 8K time-lapses, and more. Select a lens to shoot wide-angle footage just like a single-lens action cam. Get maximum resolution with 4K 30 FPS or an extremely wide 170 degrees field of view with 2.7K max view. Your first-person view footage has never looked so good. Flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens with X3 makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. Number 4. Insta360 Hot Sellers X4 Action Camera. The 8K era is here. Insta360 X4 delivers 360 degrees video in stunning 8K or 5.7K 60 FPS. Use active HDR to keep shots color accurate too, even in action scenarios. Simple, easy reframing. With Insta360 X4, get out there and shoot, not having to worry about lining up a shot. Shoot first, then reframe easily after, all in the AI-powered Insta360 app. The signature third-person Insta360 shot, a specialty of 360 cameras. Immerse your viewers in obstruction-free 360 degrees video, just like you're using a drone or as if you have your own film crew. Note: the stick is not included in standalone version. X4 can also be used as a wide-angle 4K action camera at a whopping 4K 60 FPS, or get super wide views with the incredible 170 degrees max view at 4K 30 FPS. Flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock deliver smooth, level shots, no matter how intense the action is. X4 withstands bumps and hardcore action like a pro. The lens guards are also upgraded, now easier to apply and remove on the go. Number 5. AUSEK S81 TRW Action Camera. 5K video resolution. Capture every detail with a 5K 5120 by 2880 resolution, offering crystal clear imagery for vivid storytelling. 60 FPS EIS stabilization. Ensure smooth footage with 60 FPS EIS, reducing camera shake and enhancing stability in dynamic scenes. 6 optional filter lenses. Expand your creative options with 6 optional filter lenses, perfect for diverse shooting environments. Dual screen design. Enjoy easy framing and review with the dual IPS color screens, simplifying your action camera experience. Wireless microphone compatibility. Upgrade your audio with optional wireless microphones, capturing clear sound for immersive videos.